Darren here with Creativity Unleashed. This is part 2 of building your CNC plasma table, and in this video I'm going to be adding the extra supports that are going to be supporting the water pan. And to do that, I'm going to start by doing very similar as I did with the 6" channel to the 3" channel, is to simply notch out the top so that it'll be able to sit flush with the top surface so that everything is uniform and parallel to each other. As I did before, I'm going to just use a piece of scrap, put it here flush with the edge there, flush with this edge, and then just draw around it with the Sharpie. So there's the line. So that's just how it goes. So there's a little wiggle room, which is perfect. We got them cut on all of them. They may not all be arranged right now, but they'll all work. So I used the calipers to measure the width of the C channel and divide that in half. And now I'm going to describe a line of the center mark. And with that center line, I am going to just line that up with the marks I put on the 6" C channel going down. So the lines on the 6" C channel are scribed like you can see there. And then we line it up with the center line, combination with a strong hands magnet and a little piece of wood on both sides. We're able to have them perfectly parallel to each other, so that way the top is perfectly flat. we added in the corner braces. These are angle irons. I believe they're 1/4 inch. And some 1/4 inch angle iron here. That helps support the water bed since it doesn't quite come to the full extremes of the table. So right here you can see we've done the same thing on this side. And everything is looking pretty good. So quite a lot of progress. And then use the bright light to check everything to make sure I didn't miss any spots. There are definitely a whole lot of areas to paint, but I am extremely happy with it. It looks like a giant whale skeleton or something. It's humongous.